Hi, I'm Meredith Keller, Director of Couples Therapy Center of New Jersey. Should your children know that the two of you are in couples therapy? For lots of our private clients, when we bring this up, they say, oh gosh, no, we don't tell our kids. That would worry them. Today I'm going to tell you why I think it's actually good to inform your kids that you're doing couples therapy. One of the big reasons is that they'll come to know that therapy is a good and useful service. They'll know that, oh, if I'm having an issue, I can reach out to a therapist to work on this and get help. By the way, this could have a benefit to your children down the road. Let's say that one of them does need therapy when they're an adolescent or a young adult. They'll already know that therapy is something that's valuable to do because you've normalized it for them. And by the way, they already know that the two of you are going to some type of appointment together on a regular weekly basis, whether you're leaving the house together or you're going into a room in your house to do video conference. So they're already aware that something's going on. So how would you tell them that you're going to couples therapy? One way to start the conversation is to say, we're going to meet with a professional to help us communicate better and to help us manage our feelings. If they ask if it's a therapist, sure, we're going to see a couples therapist. Or, yes, one or both of us are in individual therapy to help us to communicate better and to manage our emotions. Now, what if your kids say, oh my gosh, does this mean you're getting a divorce? The decision to tell your kids, if in fact that is what you and your partner are thinking about, needs to be a very well thought out and discussed between the adults before presenting it to the children. So I would strongly encourage that if that's the route that you end up going, the two of you discuss this first and with your therapist so that what to say, how to say it, and when is all thought through ahead of time. So if your kids ask, oh my gosh, does this mean you're getting a divorce? You can say, what it helps us do is to argue less. Your kids know that you're arguing. They've seen and heard it. They know that there's tension or sadness in the household. And it may actually be comforting for your kids to know that the two of you are attending regular therapy and that you are taking action to get this addressed. We don't go to school for how to be in a relationship, and so I hope this information is helpful for you and your family.